Cambodia Angkor Air's decision to introduce the Chinese-made Comac ARJ21-700 into its fleet marks a turning point for Southeast Asian aviation. By choosing a Chinese regional jet over industry giants Boeing and Airbus, the airline signals a shift in procurement strategy and regional alliances. The move makes Cambodia Angkor Air the first in mainland Southeast Asia to operate this aircraft, highlighting a willingness to embrace new players and technologies. The ARJ21-700 was selected for its operational fit, economic advantages, and the deepening diplomatic ties between Cambodia and China. This isn't just a fleet update, it's a statement about Cambodia's vision for growth, tourism, and international connectivity. The new jets are set to unlock new routes and boost service frequency, supporting Cambodia's ambitions within ASEAN and beyond. The decision reflects a broader strategy: modernize infrastructure, diversify partnerships, and position Cambodia as a rising player in regional aviation. With the ARJ21, Cambodia Angkor Air is charting a bold new course for the nation's skies. The Comac ARJ21-700 is a twin-engine regional jet, designed for short to medium-haul routes and seating 78 to 90 passengers. Its size and range, up to 3,700 kilometers, make it ideal for connecting Cambodia's cities with key destinations in Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, and southern China. For Cambodia Angkor Air, the ARJ21 is the right tool for routes where larger jets would be inefficient. The aircraft's operational record, built mainly in China, is expanding internationally, with Cambodia becoming only the second operator outside China. This growing track record reassures regulators and airlines, reducing the risks of adopting a new aircraft type. The ARJ21 is more than a plane. It's a catalyst for Cambodia's tourism and economic development. By flying directly to secondary cities, the airline can attract more tourists and distribute economic benefits beyond major hubs. The jet's efficiency and flexibility support Cambodia's goal of becoming a self-sufficient travel destination in Southeast Asia. With the ARJ21, Cambodia Angkor Air is poised to build a robust regional network, one city at a time. Boeing and Airbus, the industry's titans, currently lack a new aircraft in the 70-100-seat regional jet category. This gap leaves airlines like Cambodia Angkor Air searching for alternatives, with Comac and Embraer stepping in to fill the void. The ARJ21-700 directly competes with now discontinued Bombardier CRJs and smaller Embraer E-jets, offering a modern, efficient solution. Cambodia's choice wasn't about rejecting Boeing or Airbus, it was about finding the right-size jet for its needs. The absence of a suitable Western option simplified the decision, focusing attention on specialized regional jet makers. The ARJ21 complements Cambodia Angkor Air's existing Airbus fleet, serving thinner routes profitably. The real competition was between the ARJ21 and other regional jets, not larger narrow bodies. Ultimately, the decision was shaped by operational fit, financial incentives, and broader strategic considerations. The ARJ21 emerged as the logical choice for Cambodia's evolving network. Cambodia's close relationship with China is central to the ARJ21 deal. China is Cambodia's largest investor and trading partner, making aviation cooperation a natural extension of their ironclad partnership. Choosing the ARJ21 is both a practical move and a diplomatic gesture, reinforcing Cambodia's alignment with Beijing. The agreement was signed at the highest government levels, ensuring strong state backing and streamlined support for the new fleet. For China, placing the ARJ21 in Cambodia is a strategic showcase, building credibility for its aerospace industry in Southeast Asia. Every successful flight by Cambodia Angkor Air demonstrates the viability of Chinese aviation technology to the region. The partnership strengthens economic ties and positions Cambodia as a key ambassador for Chinese aerospace ambitions. This deal is as much about geopolitics as it is about aviation. A major factor in Cambodia Angkor Air's choice was the attractive financial package from China Aircraft Leasing Group, a state-backed entity. Chinese financing often includes lower lease rates, flexible terms, and integrated support, advantages hard to match by Western lessors. For a growing airline, this means modernizing the fleet without heavy upfront costs or debt. The deal likely includes pilot training, maintenance and spare parts, making the transition to a new aircraft type smoother and less risky. China's strategy is clear: use financial muscle to make its aircraft irresistible, especially in developing markets. This approach aligns commercial goals with national strategy, building long-term partnerships rather than just selling planes. For Cambodia and Air, the ARJ21 deal is a financially sustainable way to pursue growth. The comprehensive support package reduces uncertainty and accelerates fleet expansion. Favorable financing is a key reason why the ARJ21 stands out in a competitive market. The ARJ21-700 is central to Cambodia and Air's plan to expand its route network. The jets will boost domestic connectivity between Phnom Penh and Siem Reap, making travel faster and more convenient. Regionally, the ARJ21 enables direct flights to secondary cities in Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand, routes that larger jets can't serve profitably. This network expansion helps Cambodia capture more of the regional travel market and reduces reliance on major hubs like Bangkok. Improved air links drive trade, investment, and especially tourism, the lifeblood of Cambodia's economy. The ARJ21's efficiency allows for competitive fares and rapid route launches, giving the airline agility in a dynamic market. The jets will also connect Cambodia to secondary Chinese cities, tapping into the world's largest outbound tourism market. This direct access strengthens Cambodia's economic ties with China and supports its broader development goals. The ARJ21 deal is a win-win for both Cambodia and China. Cambodia modernizes its fleet, expands its network, and boosts tourism and investment. For China, placing the ARJ21 with a Southeast Asian flag carrier is a strategic milestone, showcasing its aerospace capabilities. Each flight by Cambodia and Air builds confidence in Chinese aviation technology and challenges the Western duopoly. The partnership deepens political and economic ties, moving cooperation into high-tech domains. Cambodia cements its status as a key Chinese partner, while China demonstrates its ability to deliver advanced technology and financing. The ARJ21 was the right fit for Cambodia's needs, made irresistible by strategic alignment and financial support. This deal is about more than planes. It's about building a shared future in the skies over Asia,